Hey, Postmaster, I'm stuck like Chuck. Can't pop up. Hello to you, Postmaster. Switchblade, Wolf Lake, right back.
Check on that there, Switchblade, Wolf Lake. Check on that there, Switchblade, Wolf Lake. Glad to get into your radio there, man. Hey, Switchblade, Wolf Lake, glad to get into your radio. Your 06 Postman down under. Hey, Switchblade, Wolf Lake, ain't nothing but your Postmaster. Great big quad. Great big James boy built quad down under getting up.
Right, you ever had kangaroo soup? Postmaster, Black Diamond still on the mat. You said you just want to wave at a friend, wave your hand at a friend. That's not play later, Postmaster. Switchblade, I don't mind taking time, waving a hand at a friend, and hope to do it again. God bless you, my brother. Switchblade, Wolf Lake, checkmate.
Check on that there, Switchblade, Wolf Lake, checkmate, checkmate, and more checkmate. Hey, Switchblade, Wolf Lake, I like the way you lay it down on my radio. I like the way you lay it down on my side of town. Switchblade out there around Wolf Lake, Mississippi. Ain't nothing but your friend on this end, Postmaster, Melbourne, Australia, getting up.
Whip someone with it, whip those pop. Hey, Switchblade, breaker. I had to wait on you, man. I can't make it a 06 air condition, and I heard bulldozer surged up in there. Bulldozer surged up in there, and Black Diamond, you come in second place, but I can't make it a 06 come in first place. That's all right. That's the way it was in my radio. I'm not trying to referee anything. I'm just telling you what I heard. Y'all take care. Switchblade, Wolf Lake, checkmate. That's all right there, man.
Hey, Switchblade, Wolf Lake, I slow-keyed. I got both of them in my ears, man. They're both stronger than you in my ears. But, hey, Switchblade, Wolf Lake, I appreciate you letting me know that I showed up out there first place. Wow, man. Smallest talking station down under, but it is that number 6 built quad that's doing it for me. Hey, Switchblade, Wolf Lake, do appreciate it. Pleasure. Double measure on this end. Switchblade, Wolf Lake, your Postmaster down under, your pillbox station, bottom side Australia, back reading this mail.
Yeah, 629 is a friend of mine. 629 is a friend of mine. Take your play later, 06. Scratch man, Sam Cook, looking at Pasadena Fair. Montrez 1-2, tapping and driver. Switchblade, Wolf Lake on a 1-2 driver. Bye. You driving beware.
All right there, Switchblade, Wolf Lake on that 1-tube driver, man. Like I said, I got Bulldozer and I got Black Diamond plugging my ears on this end, man. All right, hey, Switchblade, once again, pleasure, quadruple measure. And yeah, 629, he be a real good friend of mine too, man. I got the only 629 built quad down under. Take him easy, take care. Switchblade, Wolf Lake, your Postmaster on his 629 built quad, getting down.
Chin Laja, got it all because you said it all. No doubt about it. Take your party later. All you said is all I got. Ain't no doubt about that. You said 629 is a friend of yours, friend of yours. Postmaster, Switchblade, Wolf Lake.
Hey, Switchblade, Wolf Lake, Bulldozer, see if he fucking get a subby.
Oh, there, Switchblade, Wolf Lake. Once again, man, do appreciate it. Do appreciate you letting me know that I'm showing up out there around Wolf Lake, Mississippi in fine style. He'd be a real good friend of yours. He'd be a real good friend of mine. Your Postmaster on this only Australian 629 built quad. All right, Switchblade, Wolf Lake, bump it down with you another day, another way. Postmaster down under, great big quad, back reading this mail. I'll see you.
As I heard Black Diamond sound like he's Black Diamond sound like he's talking to somebody. I don't know if he's local talking or, hell, I don't know what you call it. I don't want to accuse Black Diamond or anything. Take care, Postmaster. Switchblade, Wolf Lake. Me and my malfunction walking away. Bye.
Switchblade. All right, you and your malfunction walking away. 1-tube driver, man. Yeah, I hear both Bulldozer and Black Diamond. I hear both of them there. They're talking to someone out there in the mainland. Take them easy there, Switchblade, Wolf Lake. And I did hear someone else out there on a great big quad also. Your postmaster out of Melbourne, Australia. Small talking station, long-winded pillbox station, down under, back in the clear. I'm out of here. I'll see you.
Yeah. Man, y'all take care of Australia. Let me get out of here, Captain. Y'all. Switchblade, one fleet with a malfunction.